This, I'm going to show you very quickly how to put this frame for the small carpet bag into these frame channels. Now you might need somebody with strong hands or fingers nearby. I know myself and I need tools to do it, or I need Ramel near me. So what's easier? Well, having Ramel near me. So Ramel is here for backup. He's going to come on camera and help me get this frame in. So the putting of the frame in is very easy. The part that I tend to need Ramel for are the pins. Now, some folks can do it just fine. I must have weak fingers or something because these little pins on the end are hard for me to get in and out. So, come on over, Ramel. Let's move the cutting mat and I will go overhead. And this is the last step of the companion carpet bag. The full video course is available to you now. So if you're watching this on a Sunday and you want to make this bag or this bag, this is the larger size, you can find the course. And of course the excellent pattern, we have kits for Samantha, Mrs. H patterns, sewing patterns. I love them. So let's get this going, Ramel. Come on over.
Don't you want to give it a try before?
I don't know. Okay, so these are the pins, and you should be able to just push them out. See, I have no fingernails whatsoever. Oh, that one I can get out, maybe. Yeah, it's really not that difficult. But
no, you don't want to use that.
No, don't use my knife.
I think it
There,
has
I got one out.
Yeah, you should be able to do it without tools, but...
Without tools?
Yeah, you don't want to keep it there.
I just want them to see you because you're so cute.
Well, I'm too high for the
Oh my
camera.
gosh, you're going to have to shrink. You're so tall. Okay, so let me try to get this second one out. You know what? I might be able to do it. Oh, look at that, Ramel.
Yeah, see?
You gave me strength.
Just sitting next to you. Or
There it
standing
goes.
next to you.
So those are the two pins. And then we separate the frame.
Mm-hmm.
And then we're going to feed one end in at a time. Look, this is the lamb's leather. Look how easy this is. This is not, your 5-year-old could do this. So don't be scared, it's fine. Have emotional support nearby, always when bag making. Now we're gonna put in the other side and make sure you're not putting it in like upside down because those two ends can't kiss. This end has to fit in here and this end has to fit in here, right? So I always have to do
a little bit to the side.
Yeah, let's do that. Don't lose your pins. So when you're about to do this, just have a quick gander. Have a quick look and make sure you're putting it in the right way. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, you're doing it right.
Okay, just doubted myself for a minute there. Here we go, sliding it on through. That's why we don't need interfacing on those channels. This is just perfect. And I also did cork channels before, so you're in good hands here. All right, so now's the trickiest part. We have to lay this one so that those holes all match up, all whilst putting the pin in to catch all of them. And this is the part where Ramel can do it in 2 seconds, and I struggle for 10 minutes.
Okay, let's go the easy path.
Okay.
So
Show
just grab
us.
your pin.
Yes.
And the best way to explain it
Yes.
is...
Are you
try
mic'd up?
No, I'm not mic'd up, but the
Oh.
best way I can explain it is I have one hand on this, my left hand is on the little device, and I'm going to be moving it So I want to be able to grip it in a way I can move it at the same time. So I can still put this pin in while still be able to move this. So I want to be able to do that. So I'm going to put the pin on top and I'm going to move it.
Oh.
See, I still have this hand to be able to push down while I'm still moving it with the left hand. So I'm going to keep pushing with my right hand until, yeah, the last one is the one that's not cooperating, that little last part.
Back
So,
here.
yeah, I'm still gripping with two hands, but I want to be able to keep my thumb free so I can push in it. So I'm going to try all the way close.
Oh yeah, there you go. That was the trick.
Yeah.
Right there. You like angled it on the countertop for support.
Yeah, so we can try it on the other one.
Yeah, let's do that. Or you do that.
So I'll do the same on the other one.
Okay.
Let's see, this came out a little backwards, but we can make it work.
Maybe I'm in your way.
There it goes.
Nice. Good job.
So what I did was I started from the top to get it started, and then I flipped it so I can get a clear view of the pin exiting on the other end. And now it's there.
You are so good at this. Maybe people could just mail their bags in to Ramel.
Or just send it to me, yeah.
and you'll put the pins in. Oh, I love this bag. Can you believe I finished this today? I started and finished everything, cut to finish, 2 hours ago. 2 hours to make this bag. And I was filming and having to stop and start. And I'm telling you, this bag is so much easier than you would expect it to be. So, there it is. How cute she is. She's so cute. There's the magnetic pocket. See how it's the same fabric and it just kind of...
Oh, you were able to put a magnetic pocket?
Oh yeah, that's in the pattern. Wow. This is H thought of everything. So we have a magnetic pocket, which I don't know if I would do it again, but I do foam on my pockets a lot of times, and I did there. I did not use any foam on the gusset, and it's holding up just fine. It's kind of scrunchy and cool looking. This color of pleather, I had a Jordache purse of this in 1986. It's faux lamb's leather, but that also can be under the umbrella of pleather, vinyl, faux leather, like, you know, it's all whatever. But anyways, didn't you care about my Jordache purse that I won at the fair? And it was this exact color. It was so cool. The only way it could have been better if it was hot pink.
We do have pink.
We do have pink, yeah. And yes, the black faux lamb's leather is going to be in soon. I know y'all have been waiting. It's on the way. So there it is. Thank you for watching the frame tutorial. Thank you, Ramel, namaste, for doing the frame. I see you. And if you would like to watch the entire bag course, then head over to sewhungryhippie.com and check it out. Thanks for watching. Peace, love, sewing.